Yeah. Asibambishisa ntwana yami. Singapheli moya. Themba mina kuyoze kulunga.
Max, you so crazy.
I think it's Max. Yeah, see. Either you get rich or die trying. Lapha nginangisho no 50 cent in my pockets. So I need you to pay attention. Ingosi shota ngegawula mele ngisend wallet. But in the meantime I got my music. I will get there, only need to trust the process. I see. I-aim yami uqeda indlala ejardini. So I'll keep on grinding until I see some progress. Ngithema ngitwahle egemini kwathuka ugoalkeeper. Chuma ipipe lesurage flow inamasimba. Omunye umfo wathanime phela kufika insizwa. Anzama ukuthola isolution so solve le nkinga. Isolo bek no Charles Gray. Wathi intwana kumele siphushe until we get paid. Ngithola i-gig kings okuthinta sibangena stage. Awubamba imic intwana yami sishukumise fame. Damn. But Charles, I've been there before. Kodwa ngicela ungabatsheli, keep it on the law. Le game kumele ngihafe inyuko phela nginama goals. Umoya wami ungathokoza manga reach goals. Poisa, if you find them guilty, arrest them. Phela still got some extra bars. I-aim yami these days to reach extra miles. Ngile nkunze shangane distributive vibe.
Bangene eqhawe lami, hloma ihlasele mfoka baba yeka ukubalabala. Indoda ihlala phansi vuka sodabalasa. Kungaze kushone langa, maphela umoya vuka sibangene eqhawe lami. Hloma ihlasele mfoka baba yeka ukubalabala. Indoda ihlala phansi vuka sodabalasa. There is no time to sleep, you better keep it up. Empilini simi gonna grind until we get enough. Ayikho inkomo yobuthongo indlala isame ngenyawo. Amawindoda mele uphande njengemvukuzane umvukuzame ethintitha amabhutsi intwana ifuna esipane noma ungakasitholi isipane still kumele wenze iplan. Dala ngesipitha nale rap ifuna ukungibhadala nabantwana banangubo manje balala ngendla. Studio somchina every hour ngikhipha inamba ngiyirobino kule game ngiphume ngakashaya isamba the day yoshaya isamba uzobona sengithwele isaka. Dala ngisama mani ngiyazibuza ukuthi ngifela ngeke ngirecharge kule radio ngisafuna i-airtime nami ngifuna ama-fans kulo mhlabathi ofetha. I'm tired of playing in circles like the hula hoop. If you ain't got a plan my nigga when I tula do we on the move grinding to the core until we see the juice. I'm all about my ID, I don't care who is swoosh. I martial arts, tai chi, kung fu. All I wanna see is my bank digits ikhuphuka. Ngaphela umoya sana basazothatha ama-chance ngeba yiye ukuloya lapho. Ufuna ukuya phezulu kumele uyeke ukubheka phansi. Without the weed take a step later and you'll go high. Yeah, chofele yizo awe.